Good morning, all. Welcome back to our maths class. Last class we discussed exercise 7a. I hope you understand exercise 7a. Today we are going to discuss exercise 7b. In exercise 7b, question number 1. This is some another type of question from percentage. Okay. So listen carefully, then only you can understand this one. A man bought a certain number of oranges, out of which 13% were found to be rotten. He gave 75% of the remaining in charity, and still he has 522 oranges left. Find how many had he bought at first. Okay, so a man bought a certain number of oranges. We don't know how many oranges he bought at first. We don't know how many oranges he bought at first. But from that, 13% were found to be rotten. Okay, from that oranges, 13% were rotten. So he threw away. Then the remaining oranges are there, From that remaining oranges, 75% he gave in charity. Okay, not from beginning oranges or first oranges he bought. First he bought some oranges, and out of which 13% were found to be rotten. So he threw away. Again, from the remaining oranges, 75% gave to charity. Again, 522 oranges are left. 500 oranges left. We want to find how many oranges he bought at first. We want to find how many oranges he bought at first. Okay, so here we don't know what is the original number, and only remaining number we know, that is 522. So first we have to assume the number of oranges he bought is 100. Okay, the number of oranges he bought at beginning is 100. Then only we can do this problem. Okay, let the number of oranges he bought is equal to 100. Okay, first take, let the number of oranges he bought is equal to 100. Okay, then given that out of which 13% are rotten, so we can write number of oranges rotten. Okay, number of oranges rotten. Number of oranges rotten. Number of oranges rotten is equal to 13% of 100. Number of oranges he bought we don't know, but we assume the number of oranges he bought is equal to 100. Let it is 100. Out of this 100 oranges, 13% were rotten. So number of oranges rotten, how to find 13% of 100? That is 13 by 100 into 100 is 13. Now what is the remaining oranges? Out of this 100 oranges, from this 100, 13 were rotten. Then how many oranges are left? Yes, 100 minus 30. Okay, remaining oranges. Remaining oranges is equal to 100 minus 13 is equal to 87. Only 87 oranges are remaining. From 100, 13 were rotten. Then how many oranges are left? It's 87. Okay, from this 87 oranges, again he gave 75% to charity. Okay, from this 87 oranges, he gave 75% to charity. So first we want to find 75% of 87. Okay. Now gave in charity 75% of this 87. Okay, the remaining oranges, from this remaining oranges he gave 75% to charity. It is given that 13% were found to be rotten. He gave 75% of the remaining. Of the remaining means total. Suppose total 100 oranges are there. From this 100, 13% were rotten. Now only 87 are there. Again from this remaining oranges, that is from this 87 oranges, he gave 75 in charity. So gave in charity is equal to 75% of 87. 75% of 87 is 75 by 100 into 87. Now 75 and 100 get cancelled. 1 into 25 times. In 25, 3 into 25, 75. 4 into 25 is 100. It is cancelled on 25 stable. 3 into 25, 75. 4 into 25 is 100. So 3 by 4 into 87. Now 87 into 3 is 261 by 4. This is 75% of 87. Okay. Here number of oranges. Number of oranges gave in charity. Okay. Now remaining oranges we want to find. Remaining oranges means we want to subtract 87 minus 261 by 4. Okay, 87 minus 261 by 4. Only 87 oranges are left there after throwing rotten oranges. 87 is there. From this 87, 75% are given to charity. So 75% of 87 is 261 by 4. 261 by 4 oranges are given to charity. 261 by 4 oranges were given to charity. Then how many oranges are left? How many oranges are left? 87 minus 261 by 4. Cross multiply. Here LCM is 4, you know. 87 means 87 by 1 minus 261 by 4. So 87 into 4 minus 261 by 4. Okay. What is 87 into 4 is equal to 348 minus 261 by 4, which is equal to 348 minus 261, 87 by 4. Okay, so remaining oranges is equal to 87 by 4. Remaining oranges 87 by 4. Now we want to apply unitary method, because we are taking that number of oranges at first he bought is equal to 100, you know, but actually it is not 100. We don't know how many oranges he bought. Just for an easiness we are taking 100 oranges. Now applying unitary method. Unitary method means first take the quantities one like that. If number of remaining oranges is 87 by 4. Here we got number of remaining oranges is 87 by 4. So if number of remaining oranges is 87 by 4, then oranges he bought at first 100. We took it as 100, you know, number of oranges he bought. If we are taking number of oranges he bought at first is 100, then the remaining oranges are 87 by 4. Okay, number of oranges he bought at first is 100, then the remaining is 87 by 4. So we can take number of oranges remaining is 87 by 4, then oranges he bought at first is 100. Okay. Then if number of oranges is 1, here 87 by 4, then unitary method means we want to find the quantity of 1, you know. If number of oranges is 1, then oranges he bought at first is equal to 100 into. Here 87 by 4, when we move to opposite side, it will become 4 by 87. Okay, division, you know. To find the quantity of 1, we want to divide, you know. So divided by 187 by 4 means it is into 4 by 87. When we divide 87 by 4 means multiply by reciprocal, that is 4 by 87. Then in the question it is given that number of oranges are 522, number of remaining oranges are 522. So if number of oranges are remaining oranges is 522, then oranges he bought is equal to 100 into 4 by 87 into 522. Next we want to find the number of 522, so multiply with 522. Okay, so 87 and 522 6 times, so which is equal to, see, first if number of oranges remaining is equal to 87 by 4, then oranges he bought at first 100. Then take one quantity, that is number of oranges 1, then he bought at first equal to 100 divided by 87 by 4. It is equal to 100 into 4 by 87. To find one quantity we want to divide, so 100 into 4 by 7. Then if number of oranges remaining is 522, it is given in the question the remaining oranges are 522. Here it is given, he has 522 oranges left. Number of oranges is 522. Then oranges he bought is equal to, then multiply. Do you remember unitary method? 100 into 4 by 87 into 522. Now 87 and 522, 87 stable. 1 into 87, 87. 6 into 87 is 522. So 100 into 4 into 6, 2400 oranges are left. Sorry, he bought at first. Okay, 2400 oranges he bought first. Clear? So first you take number of oranges he bought is equal to 100. It only assuming, it's not correct. Let the number of oranges he bought is 100. The number of oranges rotten. Okay, number of oranges, no W, rotten, ROTEN, rotten. Okay, number of oranges rotten is equal to 13 percentage of 100. Here it is, we taken it as 100, so 13 by 100 into 100 is 13. 13 oranges rotten, that means 13 oranges rotten means, now how many oranges are left? Remaining oranges is equal to 100 minus 13, it is 87. And from this 87 oranges, 75 percentage given to charity. So number of oranges giving charity is equal to 75 percentage of 87, not 100. Okay, from the remaining oranges, it is specified that from the remaining oranges. So 75 by 100 into 87 is equal to 75 and 100 is equal to 3 by 4 into 87. It is 261 by 4. Now remaining oranges. This is 75 percentage of 87 is 261 by 4. This much oranges are given to charity. So now how many oranges are left? The remaining oranges is equal to 87 minus 261 by 4. It is 87 by 4. Now apply unitary method. Number of oranges remaining is 87 by 4. Then oranges he bought at first is 100. Then number of oranges is 1. Then oranges he bought is equal to 100 into 100 divided by this one. That means 100 into 4 by 87. Then actually the remaining oranges are 522. So number of oranges remaining is 522. Then oranges he bought is equal to, multiply 100 into 4 by 87 into 522. It is 2400. Clear? Okay. Next, question number 3. In a combined test in English and physics, 36% candidates failed in English and 28% failed in physics and 12% failed in both. Find the percentage of passed candidates, then the total number of candidates appeared if 208 candidates have failed. So here we know that two tests were there, physics and English. In English 36% candidate failed and in physics 28 failed, but 12% failed both physics and English. Okay, so we can draw a picture. This is already Venn diagram. This is English and this is maths. sorry, not maths, physics. See, both in English and physics means this is common side, so it is 12%. 12% failed both in physics and English. 12% failed both in physics and English. Here 12%, 12 included in both physics and English. So can you guess how many students or how many percentage failed in only English? Only English. Percentage failed only in English. Only in English. Can you say only in English? Only in English means 36% minus 12%. 36 minus 12, which is equal to 24. Okay, 24. Here 24% failed only in English. Both in English and physics means 12%, then given that 36% failed in English. They are not specified only in English. Okay, 36 candidates failed in English. Suppose, or they may be failed in physics also. This 36 means they may be, some students may be failed in physics also. Okay, out of this 36%, some students may failed in physics also, and 28% failed in physics means they may fail in English also. Okay, in both means 12. Okay, so this is not only in only failed in English, they are not saying. Only in English they are not saying. 36% total, 30 out of total number of students, 36% students failed in English and 28 students failed in physics, and both are 12% in both subject. So only in English means 36 minus this 12. 12 means they are common, in both subjects. So it is 24%. Now percentage failed only in physics is equal to in physics it is 28, 28 minus 12 is equal to 16%. Okay, 16. So we can get a different. Only in English it is 24%, only in physics means 16%, and both 12. Okay, so total failed is equal to this 24% plus 12% plus 16% equal to 52%. Out of total students, 52% were failed. Total failed is 52%. Our first question is percentage of passed candidates. So percentage of passed candidate equal to passed candidates is equal to total failed is 52. So passed candidates is equal to total out of 100, percentage means out of 100. So 100 minus 52 is equal to 48%. This is the first question's answer. Percentage of passed candidates equal to 100 minus 52. It is 52 is the failed candidate, So 100 minus 52 is 48. Now one more question is the total number of candidates appeared if 200 candidates have failed. Out of total number, 208 is failed. We want to find total number of students. How to find total number of students? How to find total number of students? We know that failed candidate is 48. So 48% of total candidate is equal to 208. Okay, number of failed candidate is 208. Find the total number of candidates appeared if 208 candidates have failed. So given Given that failed candidates, number of failed candidates is 208. It is given in the second question. So 48 percentage, failed percentage is 48. Okay. Sorry, failed percentage is 52. 52 percentage of total candidates. Passed is 48 percentage, failed percentage is 52. So 52 percentage of total candidates is equal to 208. Okay, failed candidates means 208. Their percentage is 52. So 52 percentage of total number is 208. Therefore, total number, okay, percentage means out of 100. So 52 by 100 into total candidates equal to 208. So total candidates, total is equal to 208 into 52 by 100 become 100 by 52. Failed candidate, total candidates equal to 200 into 100 by 52 in 52 and 208. 1 into 52 is 52. 4 into 52 is 208. 4 into 52 is 1 into 52, 52. 4 into 52 is 208. So 4 into 100, 400. Total number of candidate is 400. Okay, clear? So first you have to take 36 candidates failed in English and 28 percentage failed in physics in both 12. So first only failed percentage only in English. Failed percentage only in English means 36 minus 12. Common is 12 in both subject. So we want to find only in English. Only in English, how to find 36 minus 12? It is 24. Again, failed candidates only in physics. It is 28 minus 12. Okay, that is 60. Now total failed percentage is equal to 24 plus. That means only English, only physics, then both. That is 52 percentage. Then passed candidates equal to total percentage means out of 100. So 100 minus 52 is 40. And first question is number of passed candidates 48 percentage. Then number of failed candidates. How to find number of failed candidates? Failed candidates are 52 percentage of the total number. Already I told you, percentage means out of 100 and it's depend on total number or maximum mark, etc. Here 52 percentage of total candidates. It is given that 208. Failed candidates are 208. So 52 percentage of total is 208. 52 by 100 into total is 208. So total is 208 into 100 by 52. It is 400. Okay. That's all for today's class. Then mark the homework. Homework is exercise 7B, question number 2 and 4. Okay, same type. You have to do yourself. Try to do yourself. Okay, any doubt is there, you can ask me. Same type. Okay, only some differences are there, but same type. Should read the question 3 or 4 times. Okay, then try to do this. 7B, question number 2 and 4. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.